As previously mentioned, in the present study conducted, there was no significant difference between the two trials compared. Participants is fed versus participants is fasted 1 mile walk times. Those physiological adaptations require more time. So the body adapts to what is available. And for this study, the amount of energy required for a 1 mile walk test was not sufficient to result in an identifiable physiological adaptation. Also, the body will learn how to use a larger supply of energy, which is fat, and eventually would increase performance. Vicente Solar et al. 2015. If the exercise in this study was at a more vigorous intensity, then the body would likely transition from using glucose as its primary source of energy to stored fat as its primary source of energy. Glucose levels in the fed versus fasted state are significantly higher in a fed state post-exercise. Canto et al. 2010. Essentially, the body adapts to exercise intensity by relying on stored fat instead of glucose in the fasted state, but this takes time. McCardell et al. 2015.